What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about NAFFL or No Annual Fee for Life. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng NAFFL sa credit card or No Annual Fee for Life sa credit card? So how does it mean? So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin neto guys? I-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga dapat nyong malaman kapag ang credit card na in-applyan ninyo or kung yung ino-offer na credit card is NAFFL or No Annual Fee for Life. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang. Kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, NAFFL stands for No Annual Fee for Life. It means you don't have to pay the yearly membership fee to keep your credit card active. Banks offer it to help you save money on recurring charges. So, as you can see dito guys, NAFFL stands for No Annual Fee for Life. It means you don't have to pay the yearly membership fee. Kasi kung alam nyo guys, naririnig nyo siguro yung annual fee na sinasabi sa credit card, no? So, kapag NAFFL or No Annual Fee for Life, yung credit card na yon, hindi mo na kailangan bayaran o hindi mo na kailangan paproblemahin yung binabayaran taon-taon. Kasi from the word itself, annual fee. So, ibig sabihin, every year siya binabayaran. So, ngayon kapag no annual fee for life, yung credit card na yun, that would be nice. Kasi hindi nyo na kailangan problemahin yung yearly membership fee. Then ngayon, how does NAFFL works? Welcome promos. Most banks do not give NAFFL automatically. You must apply for a credit card during a specific promotional period. So, ito yung ginagamit minsan guys, mga marketing strategy ng mga bangko, no? Kasi sinasabi nila, okay, you can apply for a credit card, tapos you can spend this amount, then magiging no annual fee for life siya. Tapos sinasabi naman, kapag nag-apply kayo ngayon ng credit card, 3 months lang kasi yung itatagal ng promo na to, kapag na-approve kayo within this period, like for example, January 1 to February, ganyan, kapag nag-apply kayo at na-approve sa loob ng month na yun or promotional period, no annual fee for life yung credit card ninyo. Kaya naman, syempre, ikaw na ayaw mo magbayad ng monthly membership fee or annual fee, magmamadali ka ngayon mag-apply para at least pag na-approve kayo, no annual fee for life yung credit card ninyo or NAFFL. Ganun yun. Mas ginagamit ng mga bank as promotional. Spend requirement. To unlock the lifetime waiver, you usually need to reach a minimum spend requirement such as spending of 20,000 pesos to 60,000 pesos within the set time frame like 60 days after your card is approved. So ito yung kadalasan guys, like for example sa Union Bank, no? Take example lang ito. Si Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum, kapag nag-apply kayo, hindi siya automatic no annual fee for life. Kailangan nyo mag-spend ng 20,000 from the date of approval which is 60 days. Like for example, nag-apply kayo ng January 1, tapos na-approve ng January 5. So magbibilang kayo ngayon ng 60 days, kapag dating ng card ninyo, pagka-deliver, activate nyo agad, then gamitin nyo agad para ma-reach ninyo yung 20,000 spending requirement para maging no annual fee for life yung credit card na yun na in-applyan ninyo sa Union Bank. Ganun yung mga pamaraan ng bangko para at least mas ma-encourage or ma-entice or maakit yung mga clients nila na mag-apply ng credit card. Automatic tagging. Once you hit the required spend using eligible retail or online purchases, the bank tags your account as free from annual fees forever. So, ito na yung maganda. Kapag na-hit na ninyo, automatic siya guys tinatag as no annual fee for life since ito ay as is promotional. Kumbaga, paraan ni bangko para at least ma-enjoy ninyo na hindi nyo na kailangan problemahin yung yearly membership fee ng credit card na in-applyan ninyo. Forever savings. You keep enjoying rewards and using the card year after year without a yearly membership charge appearing on your statement. So, yung advantage is forever savings. Kasi tulad sa Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum, magkano yung annual fee nun guys? Nasa 2.5, no? So ngayon, kapag naging no annual fee for life yun, since nakapag-spend kayo ng 20,000 within 60 days from the card of approval, di ba, laking savings din yun? 2,000 pesos, 2,500 pesos every year. So, ano rin yun, pang restaurant. Tapos mamaya, nag-promo pa yung isa mong credit card ng 50% off. Tapos spending requirement is 5,000. O, bongga, di ba? 2,500, pwede na pambayad. Ganun yun. O, di ba? At least, mas malaking savings talaga siya. Kapag bonding pa yung buong family, it's because no annual fee for life. Yung Union Bank U Rewards Visa Platinum na in-applyan ninyo na may spending requirements lang. Then let's talk about yung mga example ng credit card na no annual fee for life. Like for example guys, sa Security Bank, yung Security Bank Wave Mastercard is no annual fee for life siya. Tapos sa Metrobank naman, yung Metrobank M-Free Mastercard, no annual fee for life din siya. Tapos sa PNB naman, yung PNB Zelo Mastercard, no annual fee for life din yon. Tapos sa East West naman, yung East West Platinum Mastercard, no annual fee for life din yon. Tapos sa RCBC naman, nag-o-offer sila ng no annual fee sa Hexagon Club credit card nila. Kapag nag-deposit kayo ng 100,000 or 1 million, kapag naging member kayo ng Hexagon Club, so magkakaroon kayo ng credit card which is no annual fee for life. Tapos may mga other perks and benefits pa yon. Kasi kailangan nga lang mag-save kayo ng 100,000 doon or 1 million. Ganun naman yung parang kumbaga kapalit kapag yung savings na yun guys is hindi siya mababawasan. Bagkus mag-i-interest pa yon. Tapos mabibuild pa yung relationship. Sa RCBC ito guys ha. Itong no annual for life. Yun nga lang may siya. Kumbaga may required amount para at least ma-activate yung RCBC Hexagon Club Privilege or Hexagon Club Priority credit card na yon. Si BDO kasi guys is hindi sila nag-o-offer ng no annual fee for life na credit card. Waiver lang. Kapag na-reach ninyo yung spending requirements which is 600,000 per year or per annum, so automatic ma-waive yung annual fee na yon. Pero naman sa BDO minsan is napapakiusapan, pwede naman kayong tumawag kung ano yung dapat nyo gawin para at least ma-waive yung annual fee na yon. Pumapayag naman sila din mag-spend lang kayo ng 20,000, 30,000, mga ganyan. Then ma-waive na yung annual fee. Tapos sa BPI naman, nagpo-promo sila minsan yung Gold Rewards credit card nila, parang do-it promo, mga ganon. Tapos kapag na-avail mo yun, magiging no annual for life na yung credit card ninyo sa BPI which is yung Gold Rewards card. So, depende siya guys. Kaya naman kapag may credit card kayo, abang-abang lang kayo sa promo ng bangko kapag ito ay may annual fee. Kasi minsan kapag may promo sila na pwedeng ma-waive, so i-grab nyo na agad. Pero take note lang guys, baka kasi hindi nyo naman kaya bayaran yung pinagsaswipe ninyo. Kasi yung goal ninyo is ma-reach ninyo yung spending requirements. Tapos hindi nyo na pala kayang bayaran. So, problema din yon. So, kailangan nyo rin isaalang-alang yung financial capabilities ninyo, kung kaya nyong bayaran or hindi. So, kapag kaya nyong bayaran, go. Pero kung hindi, much better to do not just chase that spending requirement. Kasi kayo lang din yung mahihirapan at the end of the day. Then ngayon guys, nais ko lang din i-share since credit card contains confidential details, this is to raise awareness. So I would like you to know that credit cards contains confidential details. Card number, CVV, expiry date, lahat ng details sa credit card ninyo is confidential siya. So do not ever take photo of it, then you are going to post it on social media. Do not ever do that. That is strictly highly confidential. It must be kept to yourself. It should be in private talaga. If there is someone calling you, asking for your credit card details like CVV, card number, everything, it must be ended right away. So do not entertain calls asking for your confidential details about your credit card, your card number, expiry date, CVV, and everything you found written on your credit card because that is highly confidential. It must be kept to yourself. So if someone is calling you, just end the call right away. Do not entertain them. It's because they are asking confidential details about your credit card. So yun lamang guys. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Nag-brown out. Bye-bye!